Looking to improve your scrap motor recycling process? In this video, we introduce a full range of our motor dismantling and copper extraction machines, designed to meet the needs of recyclers, motor repair shops, and copper recovery professionals. Let's start with our hydraulic motor cutting machine, a powerful and efficient tool equipped with two core functions. First, it cuts open the motor housing, allowing quick access to the internal stator. Second, it slices the stator into two halves, making copper removal much easier. These two functions require different cutting blades, with the shell cutter being smaller and more precise. In actual operation, the process is streamlined by handling motors in batches, first removing the outer casings, then switching blades to split the stators. This staged method saves time and increases productivity, especially for large volume recyclers. Next, we present our stator copper removing machines, available in both 2-function and 3-function models. The 3-function version is the most popular among professional recyclers due to its wide applicability across various stator sizes. It offers 3 powerful steps, cutting off one side of the winding, then using either a claw or pulling system to extract the copper based on the stator's size and structure. This versatility ensures a high copper recovery rate with minimal labor. On the other hand, our 2-function copper remover is more compact and usually customized for clients who process motors of consistent sizes, such as household appliances or specific industrial motors. It's also ideal for motor repair workshops, where preserving the stator is critical. In such cases, the machine removes the copper cleanly without damaging the stator core, making it suitable for reuse. For clients with limited space or those seeking a more integrated solution, we also offer our all-in-one motor recycling machine. This compact model combines the hydraulic cutter and the copper remover into a single unit. It's space-saving, easy to operate, and highly efficient, making it a favorite among small to medium-sized recycling businesses. In addition to stator machines, we also provide equipment for rotor copper removal, allowing you to extract every bit of valuable material from the motor. Our machines are built for durability, safety, and efficiency, and can be customized to meet the specific size, power, and layout needs of your facility. Whether you're a seasoned scrapyard operator, a motor service technician, or a recycling entrepreneur looking to expand, our motor dismantling and copper recovery line has a machine for you. We've worked with clients around the world, delivering reliable, high-yield solutions that increase profit and reduce manual labor. Contact us today to find the perfect equipment for your operation, and take your motor recycling business to the next level.